How to duplicate a draft on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. Right here, this is the home page. And now let's say that you want, for example, to duplicate this draft right here. All what you have to do is so simple. Go right here, click on those three dots, and you will find three options. Click on duplicate right here. Now, as you can see, after you click on duplicate, your draft it's just duplicated and you have another copy of it. It's so easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful for you, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.